What's up guys, you're watching the Seed Show, and if you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe and like. Today our topic is PlayStation 5 error, and the error is NP-104627-0. Your PlayStation console lost the connection to the server. So it's a kind of PlayStation network servers. You just lost the connection, your internet is not working, or server is down. So here, I'm going to share my screen on the left side, and here we are at the screen. And simply go to the settings here, user and accounts, tap on the user and accounts, and you just check the login settings. Your PS console is logged in or not, and sign in ID, your PSN account is signed in or not. Maybe sometimes they signed out, that's why you lost connection. And then what to do, go back to the settings, network, and check the PlayStation network service. Sometimes the server is down, and so when you're working on the updates or undergo maintenance, if the server is working up and good, then you have a local internet problem. If the server is not working, then you just wait, Sony will fix this up automatically. Do nothing. So here's all servers up and running. So you have a local internet problem, you just contact with the provider, you just fix on your own. Here's frequency settings, advanced settings, DNS settings. Check the DNS settings working good or not. If the you can change the manually DNS settings. And here is the wired LAN one. Do the same settings on the wired LAN one, and if you use the wired LAN one, you will get the better speed. It's normally connecting from the router to PlayStation 4 with the wired cable, your connection. So simply that's how you can fix this error. And if you want to ask me a question, then leave a comment in the comment box. See you soon for the next one.